Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing another subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic in collaboration with Rosie Connolly this month. So if you want to see this month, August 2021, Look Fantastic, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup spoiler of subscription boxes, and now I'm doing advent calendar too, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, let's unbox Look Fantastic August 2021, and this month, as I said, is in collaboration with Rosie Connolly. And if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month, including the shipping fee, but they offer also some plans like 3, 6, 12 months, I think. But all the info, as always, all the link will be in the description box below. So let's open this. So it came with this box, lovely, it's really a nice box, and inside it looks like this. And this month, lovelies, we don't have the magazine, but we have a leaflet here, and it says, to our lovely beauty box subscribers, we hope you love this month's beauty box in collaboration with the influencer Rosie Connolly. I really hope I pronounce it properly. If not, I'm really sorry. In order to bring you the best magazine possible this August, filled with lots of content from Rosie herself, we made the decision to make the magazine digital only. To read it, simply scan the QR code below with your phone camera. Enjoy. Love the beauty team. So yeah, just to turn on your camera and just scan with this QR code, and they will pop you to open something, and you open that one, and yes, and you will see the magazine. So I don't know if it's a good idea, because not all people know about this kind of thing. So yes, let me know, lovelies, what do you think. But yeah, I still prefer the magazine one, but still a good idea about this one to save a bit of paper. So yes, this is the inside packaging. We have white tissue paper, and I gave you a sneak peek for this month. So in the magazine, lovelies, let's see. It says here what's coming up next month. So I will tell you what product we have next month, like a sneak peek. And we will have by Terry Balm the Rose Flaconette, worth £14, and it says nourish your lips with by Terry signature lip balm infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E to soften your pout, was also adding an enviable shine. So yes, and as you know, I always do a lineup spoiler of this subscription box. Most of you lovelies, they noticed that this product was in our last October box, so this is a repetitive item. So I don't know what I think about that. So let's start for the first product. So I have here from Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion Superfood Kale and Turmeric. Here we go. So let's smell it. Oh, it doesn't have the seal, so I can smell it. Let's pop in here. Oh, smells nice. Ahava products, they smell gorgeous. I received bath salt from this brand before, and they smell gorgeous. Very thick consistency, very hydrating one, definitely, and it smells gorgeous. It smells like kale. It smells more kale than turmeric one, but it smell really gorgeous, very hydrating. And this one is a hydrating body lotion infused with superfood kale and turmeric to moisturize skin and revive the senses. Its formula protects skin from premature aging, all while smoothing and deeply nourishing. So yes, so the next product we have from Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. It has 92 ml. This is just a travel size, and I tried this product before, and it's really good. And this one, it says this wireless silicone free formula provides an added boost to your hair between washes, whilst improving the appearance and freshen up your locks from root to tip. This all-in-one spray is ideal for all hair colors and harnesses the brand's triple action cleaning technology to absorb oil, sweat, and odors. This is really a nice dry shampoo. I really do like it, so I'm glad that I received it here. And then the next one we have, and this is from Percy & Reed Stronghold Hairspray, another brand that's really good. And this one is only 50 ml. This is just a travel size, and it says unessential for every woman's beauty drawer. The humidity resistant Percy & Reed hold it right there. Stronghold Hairspray is the complete tool for a volumizing hairstyle that lasts all day and night. Free from chemical scent, the hairspray provides added lift to any style while discouraging frizz and flyaways. And then the next one we have here, and this is from AHC Natural Essential Mask. Here we go. This is a full size, and this is a Korean brand. And this is a face mask formulated by the expert Inside Seoul renowned spa, made from naturally derived ingredients to promote hydration and a healthy glow. This mask locks in moisture without leaving your skin feeling greasy or sticky. I never heard from this one before, so yes, curious to try. As you know, I love Korean face masks, so yes. And then the next one we have is this from Globe, and this is the mask remover effortless beauty. Innovative fiber technology removes cosmetics mask with water. Here we go. And then inside it looks like this, pink one, and you just need to pop your hands in here. It's like a turban, but it's a small one. But yeah, you just need to put your hands here, apply some water, and remove your mask or your makeup. And I really do like this kind of cloth, very soft one. And here it says a polyester fiber cloth specially designed to quickly and effectively remove product residue from the skin surface. Its fibers that don't absorb any product, making the cloth easy to clean after use and aren't rough on the skin, so don't cause unnecessary irritation. But yes, it's really soft, so yes, big thumbs up. And then the last product we have here, and this one, the sneak peek of this month, and this is from Ciate Glow to Illuminating Blush. It's the packaging. And then inside, this is in the shade Matchmaker. So this is just a sample size, travel size. And then swatch it. There's loads of glitter. Illuminating Blush Highlighter. Yeah, it has loads of glitter. So yeah, definitely very illuminating one. And this is the shade. It's really not that pigmented. It's kind of subtle highlighter. Here it says, get a natural flash of color and unenviable glow with this marble illuminating blush. With a lightweight finish, it's ideal for any no makeup look, whilst being buildable for something more full coverage. So yes, that's it. So that's all for this month. As you can see, we have 6 products this month. So let's do a recap. We have the Ciate London Glow to Illuminating Blush in the shade Matchmaker. Honestly love this. It's not really my favorite one. It has loads of glitter. It's not that pigmented. I know a blush highlighter one, but there's loads of glitter, small glitter. But I will definitely use and try this one on my face, and let's see. And then we have a travel size from Percy & Reed Stronghold Spray. As I said, Percy & Reed, really good brand. I checked for products from this brand. It's really good. So yes, definitely I would try this one. And then we have the travel size living proof dry shampoo. As I said, I tried this one before. It's really good too. I really like it. And then we have from Ahava, smell gorgeous, the Ahava smoothing body lotion. Smells nice, refreshing one. Definitely I will use. And then the other one that I'll definitely use from Glow Mask Remover. It's very soft, so yes. And then we have the full size mask from AHC. Never heard from this brand, and it's a Korean, and you know I love Korean face mask, so yeah, we'll try this. So that's all, I think. Yes, that's all. What do I think of this mask box? I think it's not their best box, but it's not their worst box, and I'll definitely use 5 out of 6 products in here. So yeah, that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this month? Look fantastic. Have you received already? I think yes, because I'm late unboxing this box. I'm really sorry. Do you like this mask box? Let me know in the comment below. And that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.